Welcome back, children. We are with now last part of the Tiger and the Zoo MCQ. This is the part 4 of total 4 parts. This is for class 10th English, and this is the poem from the book First Flight. Let's quickly do the last part. According to the poet Leslie Norris, why has the tiger lost his strength? Because he has been starving, because he is put behind bars, because he has become weak and old, or all of the above. And children, the answer for this is the tiger has lost his strength because he has been put behind bars. जब किसी को बंद करके रखोगे तो he loses strength. Next question. What is the artificial habitat of the tiger in the poem A Tiger in the Zoo? A cage, a poet's home, a jungle, or a circus? Again, it's an easy one, children. I believe you know. The answer is it's cage. What kind of a cell is the tiger locked in the poem A Tiger in the Zoo? A small cell, a concrete cell, a large cell, or none of the above? It's an easy one again. It's a concrete cell. Why do you think is the tiger's who do you think, is the tiger's favorite prey as per the poem A Tiger in the Zoo? A big buffalo, a wild elephant, a plump deer, or all of the above? So again, an easy one, children. Tiger's favorite prey as per the poem is a plump deer. He should be snarling around houses at the jungle's edge, baring his white fangs, his claws, terrorizing the village. Which are the rhyming words in these lines of the poem A Tiger in the Zoo? Rhyming का मतलब जो rhyme कर रहे हो बच्चों, देखो क्या हो सकता है? Snarling है कहीं पे? नहीं है. Okay, so we have edge and village. So at the jungle's edge, at the village. So edge, claws village, claws houses, or all of the above. So we know it's edge and village, that is rhyming. The tiger has dark spots on his skin because he is starving. He hasn't taken a bath. He's not in his natural habitat, or all of the above. And children, answer for that again is easy one. He's got dark spots on his skin because he's not in his natural habitat. The tiger hears the sound of the dash at night. People talking at the night, caretakers at the night, patrolling cars at the night, or other animals. Children, answer is patrolling cars at the night. Why is the tiger in his quiet rage in the poem A Tiger in the Zoo? Because he is hungry, he is sleepy, he is lazy, or he is unhappy and controlling his anger. So we know when tiger is in the cage, he is not at all happy because he is behind the bars and he is trying to control his anger. That is why. So he is unhappy and controlling his anger. He stalks in his vivid stripes. What does the underlined word in the poem A Tiger in the Zoo mean? Stalks का मतलब क्या है? Looks at the visitors, chases people, walks in an angry or proud way, or all of the above. So children, answer is walks in an angry or a proud way. Why do you think the tiger of the poem A Tiger in the Zoo stares at the brilliant stars? Because he loves their brightness, because they are shining freely in the sky, because he loves to gaze at them, or because they entertain him. So what could be the option? So children, in the poem, the tiger, thinks, stays at the brilliant stars because, they are shining freely. So he is trying to, relate to the freedom when he's in cage. That's why. What is the mood of the tiger in the poem A Tiger in the Zoo? Sad, angry, satisfied, and happy. We know it's angry. बहुत गुस्से में है कि जेल में बंद किया हुआ उसको बेचारे को. How does the tiger terrorize the villagers as per the poem? By opening out his long, sharp teeth and powerful claws, by chasing them, by a loud roar, or by pouncing on them. So we know again, it's an easy one. By opening out his long, sharp teeth and powerful claws. डराता है. Where do you think the tiger should be snarling? At the caretakers, at the jungle's edge, in the cage, or at the visitors? And children, answer for this is at the jungle's edge, in the natural habitat. He should be snarling. Why does the tiger in the poem A Tiger in the Zoo go near the water hole? To search his prey or victim, to drink water, to take a bath, or none of the above? Again, an easy one, children. Tiger in the poem, a tiger in the zoo goes to the water hole to search for his prey. उसको भूख लगी होती है तो देखता है कि पानी के पास कोई डियर आएगा, कोई जानवर आएगा, और he will pounce upon that. In the poem A Tiger in the Zoo, the tiger ignores the visitors because they do not offer him food. He does not find them interesting. He hates to entertain them, or none of the above. And children, the answer for this is he hates to entertain them. उसको अच्छा लगता है कि visitors को entertain करे. This brings to the last MCQ of this chapter and part 4 also, children. I hope you have enjoyed all the parts. If you have, please like these videos and also comment on these videos for any suggestions, and definitely subscribe to my channel and ask your friends also to subscribe to the channel. The more you subscribe, the more you like, the more it keeps me motivated to post new content every day. Let's do the last question now. What does the tiger do at night in the cage? He waits for the other day. He watches stars and longs for freedom. He sleeps peacefully, or all of the above. So we know, children, he watches stars and longs for the freedom. Thank you, children, for watching, and I wish you all the very good luck and best wishes for your life and exams. Thank you.